If you're getting started in forex trading, then you are in the right channel and you are in a right place. So today I'm going to talk about different types of forex orders. We have market order, which is commonly used by so many traders. So when it comes to market order, this is when you place your order based on the current market price. So you come here, or we have these two buttons. We have sell order. You can place your sell order or buy order based on your analysis. So what you do, I'm going to place a buy order, for example, for this this metal. So I'm going to place a buy order. This is what we call market order. You place your order based on current market price. So this is one of forex order type. So we have others. As we go down, I'm going to share others. So this is one of the most used. This is the market order. You do press the current buttons you see there, whether you're using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You can place your sell or buy order. These are straightforward things, so you don't, it's not that much complicated. All you need is to do your analysis and understand where the market is headed for you to be able to make profit in the market. Our next forex order type is limit entry order. Limit entry order is subdivided into two. So we have buy limit order and then we have sell limit order. What is a limit entry? Limit entry is an order placed to either buy below the market or sell above the market at a certain price. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to place a buy limit. How do you place your buy limit? You just need to right click and then you see buy limit, and also you can proceed and go to the next, that is trading. You just need to see the arrow and then you have several options. We have buy limit and then we have sell stop. So if you want to place a buy limit, you just need to click buy limit. Already it has been placed here, so you can modify it. And why did I place a buy limit? I placed this buy limit because this look like a support, and that's why I needed to put my buy limit here. So after doing my analysis, I found out that gold is actually sitting on a support area. So for this case, if this is a genuine support, I'll just wait for the market to retest severally or maybe once. So I was to wait this area here. After this retest, I was supposed to place my buy limit this area where market has rejected, where I'm pointing. Then for this case, the market went up and then came back. So when this candle came all the way down, could have activated my buy limit order. So that's how you place your buy limit order, after understanding where the market is headed and after doing your analysis. That's how you place your buy limit order, by just right clicking and then you see options. We have trading and then you see options, buy limit or sell stop. So for this case, we are talking about buy limit, and that's why I told you just need to place it. If you want to modify it, you can right click and modify it. You see an option of modifying it. By modifying it, you will adjust your stop loss and your take profit. So for that case, you need to know how much the price you wish to what is your target and what is your stop loss. So here, that's where you put your figure and then you just click modification and then it will be modified. That's how you place your buy limit. So I'm going to head to sell limit. And note that I've said again that we have different types of forex orders. And earlier we spoke about market order. Market order is when you place your order based on current market price. You press this button, either buy or sell. So for this asset, which is Bitcoin, so we want to see where we could have placed our sell limit order. So for this case, you come here and then you place your sell limit. So for this case, we needed to know where our resistance is. So if for this case, if I wanted to place my sell limit, I needed to identify where market is currently is unable to move up. So this is a resistance. So I was supposed to set my sell limit along this area. So when could my sell limit be activated? Assuming I saw this rejection here, and then again I saw this one. So I was supposed to either wait wait for this candle or whatever. I wait for this drop. If by any chance it happens to come back, so I was supposed to put my sell limit here. Once my sell limit is triggered, and then it will start selling. So this could have made a lot of profit. So once you understand where your resistance is, where the market is some kind of failing to break, so that's where you place your sell limit. So for this Bitcoin, if you had placed your sell limit along this resistance, and the resistance, what I mean by resistance is when price was rejected here first, and then second it was rejected here, and this is the third time. So meaning this is a resistance, and that's why the market came all the way down, and you could have made profit. So I've covered sell limit and buy limit and how to place them. And I believe if you're new, you're forex beginner, that's how you are able to identify those zones, those areas of interest. So I'm going to proceed to another forex order type. On to our third forex order type, that is stop entry order. Stop entry order is an order placed to buy above the market or sell below the market at a certain price. So this one, you just come here. If you just come and let's take gold as an example. So you want to place your sell stop order. So you just need to identify where. For this, assuming like you have done your analysis, you have found out that you have come to conclusion that gold will be selling past this level or whatever level. It depends how you see it, because gold has been rejecting this point here. So the best thing you can do as a trader, as a beginner, is to place it just below the wick. This is the wick, this is the wick, this is the wick, this is the rejection wick. So you just need to place your sell stop order here. Once you place your stop order there, once the market, if gold drops and breaks this point here, it will activate, it will trigger this order, and then it will be activated. So that's how you place your sell stop order. Remember that sell stop order is when you have already identified a zone where market or the asset that you are trading has failed to break. So you anticipate that it will be dropping. So what you need to do is to identify that critical area, a zone where you've seen the price has rejected. So that's where you place your sell stop order. Once sell stop order is activated, the order will be sell. So you anticipate that gold will be selling, and it will be selling all the way down. So that's how you do it. So I believe something else maybe I need to mention is that you need to modify your order. So what you do is you just need to right click. You just need to hover on the sell stop order that you have placed, and then you can right click and click modify. So that here, that's where you place your price. And if you're using MT5 here, that's where you place your stop loss, either based on price or based on points or pips. So for the MT4 MetaTrader traders, so this is where you place. This one is not MT5 is the one that is more advanced. So you can either use MT4, so long as if you are an enthusiast of MT4, you can use MT4. For MT5 users, you just need to modify your order based on the price or points. So for this case, you can modify your order. You need to place your stop loss and your take profit. Do not leave them empty. So place your stop loss and your take profit. Any order that you place, either it's a buy limit or sell limit or sell stop, make sure to place your stop loss and take profit. That's the only way to stay safe. If market triggers your order and then it fails to head to your or fails to comply with your analysis, so that's why you need to place your stop loss, just to make sure you are safe. So something else I'm going to cover, I'm still covering stop entry orders. Stop entry orders, we have sell stop order and then we have buy stop order. What is a buy stop order? So here, that's where you come and place your buy stop order. Already you have identified, like for this gold, for this Bitcoin, you're going to come here. I'm assuming from my analysis, based on what I'm seeing, Bitcoin, yes, it's dropping, but if it will come back, I'm anticipating to go up. So for this case, if price goes up and my buy stop is triggered, immediately to be a buy order. So I've said, make sure you modify your order by right clicking. You just need to hover on the order, or just the line that you see, the dotted line you see, just need to hover and then you modify. Once you modify, you come to modification, you put your stop loss and then you put your take profit. And note that you put your take profit and stop loss based on price, so you need also to have your targets. So for that case, that's how you place your buy stop and sell stop orders. Having discussed that, we also have other different types of orders. That is stop loss order. So assuming now gold is in this is a red candle, so let me put this as an example. So what you need, stop loss order. Stop loss order is when you put a limit where you are limiting to incur huge losses. So for this case, I can place my stop loss there in case it changes direction. So what you do by placing your stop loss, meaning that once it is triggered, it will cut off. It will cut off, so you will not incur huge losses. So this is for safety purposes. When it comes to trading, never fail to put your stop loss. If you're a new beginner, if you're a beginner, make sure to put your stop loss, because it will limit you making huge losses. And you have to be very careful when placing your stop losses. Make sure you look for the areas that are likely. For this case, if I was to put my stop loss, I could put it here because for one reason is that price rejected this zone here. It also rejected this area here. It's almost heading to this area. If in case it changes mind and then gold goes up, so I'll lose around 53 USD. So that's 760 pips. That's 76 pips. So for this case, if you're new, you're a beginner, that's how you place your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop orders. I've shown you how to place a stop loss order. So we also have trading stop order. Trading stop order is when you're already in profit. So assuming, I'll try change time frame, because assuming now that I'm already $4 in, so how you place your stop loss, you just need to put your stop loss just inside your current entry. So that's how you prevent. You just make sure you are just preventing losing your trade. So that's how you put your trailing. Trailing is when Yeah, you keep on adjusting your stop loss, and your stop loss moves inside your entry point. That's what we call trailing stop. So you move your trading stop inside entry point. This is my entry point, so I'm unable to put my trading stop because actually it has not moved that much. So if I could have seen a significant move, let's assume the candle is somewhere here, so I could have moved my stop loss inside my entry point. That's what we call trading stop, and it's type of an order. So that is a type of forex order type. So I'm going to do a recap of what I've said, and I'm that's market. One is a market order. Market order, I've said market order is when you make your entry based on the current market price. So I've also spoken about limit orders. I've also talked about stop orders. So for the limit orders, we have buy limit and sell limit. So I've said you can do a recap, you can review, you can rewind the video, and then you can see how to place your buy limit and sell limit. And for stop orders, buy stop and sell stop, I've already explained. So you just need to identify areas that you want to place your buy stop or sell stop or buy limit or sell limit order. I've also spoke about stop loss order. Stop loss order is the one that limits you, or just it's a safe zone. It's just you're just trying to protect your account. Yes, you need to place your stop loss order. Stop loss order is when you move you just need to drag after placing your order. You just need to drag your cursor the way I'm dragging. You just need to hold it and drag it. You see how much you are willing to lose in USD and also in pips. So let me remove this button. So when it comes to sell stop order, this one is for protecting your equity or capital. So if market decides to change direction, your order will be closed at this point, so you make a loss of 48 USD. Example, this is an example. So we have also said we have trailing stop order. Trailing stop order is when already you are in profit. So what you do, you move your stop loss, assuming in this case I'm assuming that this gold candle or whatever gold has moved all the way down. So to protect my profit, I can move my stop loss inside my entry point. That's what we call trailing stop order. Having discussed that, I believe now you can be able to place your orders based on your analysis. You don't need to be on your chart all times. So that's why I've introduced all these types of forex order. So make sure that you can implement them correctly. Don't forget to put your stop loss and your take profit. Mostly do not forget about your stop loss because it is protecting your equity, therefore you don't incur huge losses. Thank you for watching.